Hi there. I want to talk to you about Audacity because this is one of the tools that you're going to use to really help to work with your audio files to make them a little better.
This video is brought to you by Pies Academy.
And basically, to download Audacity, it's a free software. I use it, and basically you go Audacity download, you search in Google, you will see this, and basically you can get it for Windows or a Mac. I already have it installed. So this is how it's going to work. Basically, this is Audacity. I imported an MP3 file. It's a small file, whatever. It doesn't matter what's on it. You can do some cleaning up on it, on the file, right? But you also, when you're done with the file, you're going to export your audio. And here's the important thing to keep in mind. Because you have a 50 megabyte limit on Libsyn per month, right? Per month. So a half an hour of a show is about 25 megabytes, right? So if you have a weekly half an hour show, it's not going to fit into the minimum limit. And here's what you do to fit into the minimum limit. When you export your audio, right, you want to compress your files so that the file sizes become smaller, right? So this thing is thinking too long for some reason. Here it is. And you want to go into options. And the options are, right, so usually it's preset to 128. And that's where you're going to get, okay, you're going to get good audio quality. You can go 112, 96. If you're doing music or something like that, like people say CD quality, right, then you need maybe higher rates here. But if you're just doing a voice podcast, you can get away with 80 or 96. It's going to make your file sizes smaller, and that way when you upload your audio files to your MP3 files to Libsyn, it's going to take up less space, and you're going to be able to save money by making the file sizes smaller. So this is how you use Audacity to really fit under that $5 limit. Maybe you'll need the $15 plan gives you more, but basically by making your file sizes smaller, you get to fit into the cheapest plan possible for whatever format your show is. You might have longer shows, so in that case you might need a bigger plan, but whatever it is, you'll still be able to spend the minimum amount by going through this process and compressing your files. So that's it.